Hi, my name is Akiva Goldman, and I'm an attorney with Goldman and Associates. We get a lot of calls about people who are bitten by dogs, dog bites. And oftentimes, it's a serious thing because, it seems funny if a dog, it nips at you, maybe you knew the dog before, maybe it just ran out and attacked you. I mean, the gambit of dog bite injury goes from little tiny puncture wounds to people who end up in the hospital, sometimes for weeks. Sometimes they develop infection as a result of the dog bite. Or they get knocked down and they hurt their back, and now they have to have back surgery because the dog attacked them. These are all things that can happen. As a homeowner, what you need to know is that you are 100% responsible for your dog. The only defense that there is to a dog bite case is provocation. And provocation doesn't mean somebody looked at your dog wrong or somebody tried to pet your dog. You know what provocation is? Your neighbor throws a brick at your dog and your dog takes a chunk out of his knee. That's provocation. Anything short of that is not going to be provocation. And you know what that means? You're going to be liable for it. That's the bad news. Here's the good news. The good news is that dog bites are covered by your homeowner's insurance. Your homeowner's insurance protects you if your dog bites someone. Here's how it works. Your homeowner's insurance protects you from any act of negligence that you commit. Having a loose dog or having a dog that's not under control is your act of negligence. So really, it's not that the insurance is protecting the dog. The insurance is protecting you from your shortcomings as it relates to controlling your dog. So the good news is that if you have homeowner's insurance, you'll be protected. The bad news is if you don't have homeowner's insurance, you're not. And you're going to be personally responsible for that injury. That could be pain and suffering, mental anguish, lost wages, medical bills. It goes on and on. If you don't have insurance, go out and get it. But you've got to make sure that you have some level of protection. Now, from the standpoint of the victim, it's terrible to be traumatized like this. I know people who were dog people, so to speak, and they got bit by a dog, and now they're all of a sudden having the post-traumatic stress of the dog bite. Now they're afraid to go out. They see a dog, they feel like going in, they get sick to their stomach. If that's happened to you, or if you've had scars or surgery, or you've been attacked by a dog and you don't even know, maybe it's a case, maybe it's not, my suggestion to you is, and this is what you need to know, you need to contact a lawyer who has experience in handling these kind of things. We've handled these kind of cases going over 30 years now. It's a specialty, and we have a separate department at our firm for it, because it happens a lot. It kind of started out because, as you know, we do a lot of family law, and this is the kind of injury that can happen in the course of a family. You own a dog, maybe your dog bites someone, or your kids go over to somebody's house and they have a dog and they get bitten. So it's all sort of part of, we call it, it's part of our family litigation. But dog bite is a specialty like anything else, though. So if it happens to you, of course, give us a call, and we'll be glad to help you navigate that system and help you out.